In a capitalist system, the best way to get paid is through your capital. That's where the real wealth is built, not through your salary. Because what happens with your salary is you have less risk, right? With your salary, you're going to get a paycheck every 2 weeks, maybe every week. You're getting paid no matter what. Whether the company profit goes up or down, you're getting paid. So you kind of have that lower risk because, well, you know how the paychecks work. With the profits, you have more risk. You don't know if the company's going to make money. Maybe this company goes bankrupt, which means you lose your salary as well. But maybe that means the company will make smaller profits. Maybe it makes bigger profits. So you don't know where the profit is going to be. However, if you take the risk to own those profits, you also get the benefit of the invisible money, the equity. So the wealth in America and first world countries is built through the equity and through the profits. But most people want to just get rich through bigger salaries. And then what do they do with that salary? They use the salary to live a bigger life. We want to make more money so we can have nicer things. But if you really want to build wealth, you got to flip that around. You want to make money so you can own the equity. You want to make money so you can own the profits. You don't have to go out and start a company. In fact, most people should not go out and operate a company. Most people should not go out and start a company. However, in America, every single person needs to be a business owner. How do you do that? You take the money that you're earning and now you got to own the businesses through a piece of the money that you're earning. Take some of the money that you're earning and use it to buy investments, use it to buy assets. If you use your money, some of your money, and you take it to the stock market and you buy a share of, say, McDonald's, you become one of the owners of McDonald's. That means now as McDonald's makes bigger profits, you make more money. If McDonald's has bigger profits, you also see more equity. Now, how does that work? Well, McDonald's pays out what's called a dividend. A dividend is a distribution of profits. That means if you own one of the shares of McDonald's, you get paid every 3 months for doing nothing except owning the stock. Now, it's not a ton of money if you own just one share, but it's better than nothing. And if McDonald's makes bigger profits, they generally pay out bigger distribution checks. And then if the valuation of McDonald's grows, that means the stock price also grows. And this is where now that real wealth is built. Wealth is built through owning assets, not just through your salary. But the thing you want to understand here is, when is a raise beneficial? See, most people use a raise to upgrade the lifestyle. They use a raise to inflate the lifestyle. They use a raise to buy nicer things. But you want to use your raise to buy more assets, because that's where the real wealth is built. But now, why are most people not doing this? Because it's hard. And because it takes a long time, and because it takes dedication, and because it takes sacrifice. See, wealth through owning assets takes time unless somebody just hands you $1 million. Most of us don't have that, which means now you're going to have to slowly work to buy assets, which means it might take you a decade of slowly accumulating to buy assets to see some significant increase in your wealth, to have an increase in a new stream of income from your investments. Most people don't have the patience or the diligence or the dedication to do that. But if you do that, I call it a decade of sacrifice, you're going to have the ability to have a whole new stream of income, to have a whole new stream of wealth built through money that you're not working hard to earn, through money that your money's working to earn. And that's where the wealth is built. And this is where now understanding, how do you use your income in a way that's going to make you wealthier instead of making everybody else rich? But the crazy thing is, most of us are never taught how this works. We're taught to get paid, get a bigger paycheck, and then spend our paycheck. But that's not how wealth is built. And that's the thing that I want you to understand. If you can understand one thing from this video, it's that true wealth is built through owning assets. It's not through your salary. And it doesn't matter how much money you're making. It doesn't matter if you're a doctor. It doesn't matter if you're an NBA player. You can make millions of dollars a year from your salary. But as soon as you stop working, that income stops coming in. Then what? Maybe you have a big savings account if you were smart enough to save, but that savings is going to drop every time you spend $1. And now what? See, that's where you have to have a second stream of income. And that second stream of income can't be from you going to work to get paid if you want to become wealthy. This is what wealthy people want. Wealthy people want that second stream of income, maybe third, maybe fourth, but we'll talk about second right now. They want that second stream of income that pays them even if they're not going to work to get paid. That's where wealth is. And the way you do that is by using some of your money to buy these investments that will pay you just for owning them instead of having to keep working to get paid. Because maybe one day you want to retire. Maybe one day you don't want to work. Maybe you want to take some time off. Maybe you can't work. but you want to keep getting paid because it costs money to eat and it costs money to feed other people. And that's why wealthy people want to get paid from their capital. They want to get paid from their profits. They want to get paid from the equity rather than just the salary. If you enjoyed this short clip from my longer videos, here's another clip that I think you'll love. And while you're at it, if you're interested in learning more about how to start generating passive income, our team put together an amazing guide on how to start generating passive income for free. All you gotta do is click that button right over there. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep hustling.